Hey everyone, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel, True Mode. Today we have a very exciting video because it's about, wait for it, Taylor Swift. Now let me tell you, there are a few things in life that I am passionate about. Fashion, working, tea, specifically Honey Vanilla Chamomile, The Vampire Diaries, justice for Jenny Humphrey and Chuck Bass, and Taylor Swift. I am a huge Taylor Swift fan. I have been listening to her music for many years now. I used to listen to her and was very into her music when I was really young, like 12, 13 years old, right around like her first album and the Fearless album. And then I kind of stopped listening to her music. I didn't love it that much. And then when Shake It Off came out, when I was 18 years old, that song changed my life. It helped me through many a time of needing to shake things off. And then once 1989 came out, I loved that album. And then ever since then, now I love her older music. I love her new music. I love everything. She's just a great person, performer, musician, songwriter, everything. I like to buy some of her Reputation merchandise because not only do I want to purchase it because it's Taylor Swift, but it's actually really cute items. Clothing items that I would purchase at the store had they not been Taylor Swift adjacent. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give you guys like a quick peek into some of the merchandise I have bought. And you know, maybe you want to get something for someone as a Christmas gift. Let me tell you, Taylor Swift merchandise, that would be an A+ Christmas gift for me. So any other Taylor Swift fans out there, they would probably love it. And a lot of her merchandise, like I'm saying, it's very versatile. It doesn't have to just be thought of as a Taylor Swift t-shirt. Like this, what I'm wearing right now, you probably wouldn't have even noticed. This is one of her like little sweatshirt tops from the Reputation Stadium tour. And it's really cute. It's got like this cold shoulder cutout detail, which I love. It's so edgy. It's got a snake design. Now, let me tell you, snakes are my thing. I love snakes. I think they're so cool. They're so edgy. They're like just amazing. So it's got like a cool snake design. It says Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium Tour. And then on the back, got all of the cities and the tour dates. And I had been wanting this forever. So I went to her concert in Chicago in June. And I was going to buy this from the merchandise stand and they were completely sold out. And then they were sold out of my size online for a really long time. And then finally, my size came back into stock and it was on sale for only $30. It was originally like $60. So I went ahead and bought that. The next thing that I got that I'm obsessed with, that I have wanted since last year, and I've been waiting for it to go on sale because it was $60, is this amazing snake ring. This ring is me to an absolute T. And this is adjustable too. So it's all like one size fits all, and then you can just tighten it or loosen it up to fit your finger. I have very small fingers and this one fits me perfect because I just tightened it up. But yeah, I love this. So I got this on sale for $30. They've been having so many promos in the past 6 weeks, so I'm sure there's some kind of promo for this ring going on right now, and I'll link it down below. But I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to wear it all the time. It's just so me. And I've wanted this for a year and I finally got it because it was $30. Then the other item I got in this most recent purchase that I made was the Reputation crop top that Taylor Swift was always wearing in her rehearsal pictures and like her little Instagram stories. It is so cute. I love it because I love this century gothic typeface. I have always loved it. I love just how edgy it looks. I love it. So when I saw this, just how simple it is, it just says Reputation and then it has Reputation mirrored. I really love it. I think it's so cute. Again, it's a super soft material. And this one, they were actually sold out of an extra small and a small. So I ended up buying a medium, and I'm glad I did because it makes it a little bit longer because I don't like to wear just crop tops. So this one actually just hits like a normal length for me. This was $10 when I bought it because they were having a promo for buy 5 for $50. And then what was really cool was they gave me a free gift in my bag. They wrote me a little note that says, "This is why we can have nice things. We put something extra in your order to say thanks for shopping with us. Happy holidays from Taylor Nation." They gave me this little TS 1989 wristband from her previous tour. So that was really cute. That was nice of them. It's like a nice little surprise to get. The next thing I'm gonna show you is one of my favorite items that I've purchased from the Taylor Swift merch store. And I think this was a limited edition item. I don't think it's up anymore because I remember I got an email for it maybe a month, 6 weeks ago, and then I bought it, and then when I was shopping a couple weeks ago. I didn't see it on the website anymore, and I'm obsessed with it. So you know I love fashion illustrations. I draw them. I have them like as my wallpaper. I have everything. So I got this. It's just a sweatshirt, and then it has an illustration of Taylor Swift from each era, which is really cool. So it's got her beginning era, it's Fearless, Speak Now, Red, 1989, and Reputation, and then it says Reputation on it. And it's a really comfy, cozy sweatshirt material. It's just like a crew neck. It's so cute, I love it. I wear it all the time. And it just makes me so happy because I love illustrated things like that. I believe I paid $50 for that, but like I said, I think it might be gone now. Another item I got from the Reputation merchandise is this sweatshirt. It just says Rep on it, which I love. And this I got on sale, and I actually ended up buying a size large because it was the only one they had left, and I think it was a really good deal. It was like $80 down to $20 maybe, or something like that, so that's why I bought it. It's actually reversible, so you've got the gray side, and then it has like a terry cloth side. So normally what I do is I wear the terry cloth on the outside because the gray is softer on the inside. I love the typeface. That's one of the main reasons I bought it. That's why I love everything in terms of this era. Her whole branding and styling of everything is just my aesthetic completely, and it's what I love, so it just makes me want to buy even more. The last piece I'm going to show you from my Reputation collection is actually the first thing I ever got that was Taylor Swift. And my best friend Marissa got this for me for Christmas last year. And it is a just black oversized sweatshirt with her snake design on it. On the sleeves it says Taylor Swift in kind of like a black burnout kind of effect. It's hard to see. This is a size small, but it's very oversized. So again, I wear it with leggings and just kind of like cozy up in it. So that was all of my Reputation merchandise that I have been collecting over the past year. They are some of my favorite pieces. They are pieces that I'm just gonna keep forever because they're just very sentimental. I feel like a lot of people can't relate, and a lot of people just think, oh my God, she's just like an obsessed Taylor Swift fan, and that's not it. It's more because her music is what has helped me through so many different times of my life. And whenever I was going through a really difficult time, there was always a song that I related to of hers and that kind of made me feel better. Like Shake It Off was really big for me. It came out during a time when I really needed to hear that message of just like shaking it off, like shake off what the haters are saying. Like they're just always gonna hate, but you just gotta shake it off and just keep doing you. Like when that song came out, it could not have come out at a better time, and that's when I really needed to hear it. A lot of her other songs have helped me through other difficult times in my life. As weird as it can sound, because I don't know her personally, obviously, it kind of feels like I do because of her music, because of how open and honest she is and how relatable she is through her music. And I just think, wow, like someone else does go through the same sorts of things. Like she was able to create this song that helps me and can make me see that like things are gonna get better or whatever. And so that's why I love her so much, is because her songs just always make me feel better. It makes, when I'm happy, it makes me even in a happier mood. When I'm feeling down, it gets me feeling better. So that's why I love her so much. And there's no other music artist that I've ever like really felt that kind of connection to, and how I feel like every single album and every single song is so authentic and so relatable and so like written with a purpose. So that's why I just love supporting her. I love her music. I also wanted to mention that the Reputation Stadium Tour movie is coming to Netflix on New Year's Eve. Can you even believe it? I knew it was going to because I follow fan accounts, and oh, I know what it was. A fan said that at one of the rep shows that they attended, they were passed out flyers or waivers or some effect saying that you need to release like consent to be filmed, and then at the bottom of it, it said something like Netflix was the company distributing these. So I think that was kind of like the first clue that people had that the movie was gonna be on Netflix as opposed to Apple Music like 1989 was. And I'm so glad it's on Netflix, because when it's on Netflix, then I can just have it on the TV, and when you watch it on Apple Music, you can only have it on your computer or your phone. So it's just gonna be great. But already, like, the trailer's amazing. I know it's gonna be such an amazing show. And I can tell you, well, I can say it with 90% certainty, and my source is a Taylor Swift fan account. All Too Well is going to be one of the surprise songs shown in the movie, because I guess Netflix released a set list corresponding to the movie saying each song, who the writer was, who the composer was, and All Too Well was included in that list along with Babe that she sang with Sugarland. So I'm very excited for that because I have never seen like a high quality video of her performing All Too Well live because she didn't make a Red Tour movie, so we don't have that. All we have is fan concert video footage, so it's gonna be amazing because All Too Well is literally my favorite Taylor Swift song ever. So I'm really excited for that, and I'm just gonna have like a Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium Tour movie viewing party on New Year's Eve. It's gonna make it the best New Year's Eve ever. But I just wanted to show you guys some of these items because I feel like a lot of things can look different in person than online. I know they're having a lot of new deals going on right now, so I'll link things down below. Thanks for watching. If you are a Taylor Swift fan, please subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And leave a comment and tell me what your favorite Taylor Swift song is. Like I said, mine is All Too Well. It's the most amazing song ever, so let me know what your favorite song is. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve and holiday season. I don't know if this is gonna go up before Christmas or not, but Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe, and yeah, okay, bye.